bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see.
Morning, guys.
It's the day after the storm. It's windy, it's starting to rain. Mum jet washing.
What's the storm called? Amy.
I think so. Bloody annoying, I'd call it.
That's my sister's name, Amy.
Yeah, that's the storm's name. But
A bit is a bit strong, you know.
she's very strong. The storm.
So
Mum jet washing.
sprinkling for winter.
Well, we got the girls coming on Friday.
Yeah, that's right. So,
We moved all the boxes around the side. We're making the decking.
yeah, you notice is we don't have any more pots in there, so
Yeah, because all the black stuff was coming under the carpet and dirtying the carpet as well.
Yeah.
So
the block, there's moldy coming through the roof.
yeah, I would move them.
Yeah.
Right, I want to get back to my jet washing because it's going to piss it down with rain soon.
Here, all the way up there. Need the boxes. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we put the climbing clematis in there because I got clematis in there. Should be there before. This is Mr. C, been busy. little lighter. Get stressed now. And he had a Stella as well.
Guess what's not working? That's done it.
And you get the Stella.
We're good. Get in there.
Yeah. Stella, 10 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah. Just weekend. You know what, guys? It's pissing it down with rain. But I've done the decking and emptied the jacuzzi. I've got a complaint though. My missus, she's turning into a right scrubber. I mean, a proper scrubber. Honestly, disgusting. Watch this. What are you doing, babe?
The typhoon, storm. Bloody storm.
That's dirty again. I'm going to wash that again there.
Because it's blowing there.
What are you doing in here, babe?
Remove the stain
How are you doing it?
with the select bank.
And how are you getting it off?
Yes.
Are you scrubbing?
Scrubbing it.
So you're a scrubber?
No, I'm not.
Obviously I was wrong, guys.
I think only a man is doing the scrubber.
Yeah, men love scrubbers. I love you, babe.
I don't know why. Look, it's storm.
Well, I wouldn't call it a storm, it's just windy.
We're using the nano camera right now today, guys.
Yeah, it's my first go with a nano today, guys.
See, done a good job, does it?
Looks like it's really nice, babe. Now, just like this. Look at this. How clean is it? Eh? Even the carpet's come up clean. We've got room to get down the side of here now as well. Warm tomatoes. Woohoo! Right, it's pissing it down with rain. Well, it doesn't matter because that's getting wet anyway. That's scrubbed. So I've just got to empty out the last bit of water, jet wash it out, fill it up, and put the lid back on it.
And we need to put the silt in there because it's leaking. Remember?
Yeah, not today. Oh shit. Fresh air's bad for me. Right, there we go. A couple of hours later, still pissing it down, but everything's... we'll left that there. Right, I know where that's going. So jacuzzi's filling up. Decking's clean. I think we're about ready. Right, I'm going to say goodbye now because it's a short vlog. Mrs. C's going out for very essential supplies, guys, because I'm nearly running out of beer. So I'm going to say goodbye.
Goodbye, guys. Salamat po. Happy weekend.
Yeah.
Let's see you in the next vlog. Bye-bye.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit